Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you image to video in Adobe Photoshop. So you just easily this image to video. So I'm provide full guide. So at first open your Photoshop. You need to just select any photo. So like I'm select this photo and I'm just image to convert video. So let's start. Click on to mouse left side and click on convert to smart object. Okay, go to Windows option and select timeline. Okay, and click on create video timeline. Now successfully create video timeline. I'm just increase this area. Okay, and select crop tool, press on Alt and drag this side, press on right mark. Okay, alright, press on to keyboard Ctrl+T, press on mouse left side and you just select this, press on Alt and drag this side. Okay, press on right mark, go to layer section, just click on and click on to transform, just press on, drag this area. If you want to increase video size or decrease, okay, okay, and again press on Ctrl+T, click on mouse left side, select and alter. Okay, now finally done. Press on right mark and now I'm check, just click on to play this video. So look here, now play this video, successfully convert image to video. And how can save this video? Click on and click on render video. Okay, name this file name video, press on render. Now it's exporting video. Okay, now successfully save this and just play. Okay, now finally create image to video.